Hello YouTube, today is November the 7th of 2022. God, I can't believe it's been this long. It's exactly 9 years to the date that Excel Academy was no more. Today at noon, if you all are on here on YouTube, this is the day you want to tune into if you were an Excel Academy student. This is the day of the November 7th video, the yearly video that will be uploaded, that is supposed to set to go live here this afternoon at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, or at noon. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Daylight Time. And I just thought I'd come on here with a plead for y'all. And this is kind of like a double-edged video. There was an incident last night in Newark regarding one of our classmates yet again. Which leads me to suspect that this classmate just had a problem to the point that he or she could not handle it and was spotted by the Newark Division of Police last night. But let's go on to what this video is mostly about. This video is mostly about you guys, my classmates. Those who are suffering through the loss of Excel, and those who have not gotten over the loss of our great institution, Excel Academy. I was originally going to go up today. We were originally going to have a get-together surrounding the school at approximately, we were originally going to meet about 1 o'clock today. But with the recent events that unfolded in my life, I decided not to have the meeting today. My grandmother has passed. Yes, if you've seen on the community tab, my grandmother has passed. But more specifically, the reason why I do not want to meet is there's several factors. One of them being my grandmother passed away. The other one is I'm trying to get on with Norfolk Southern Railroad in Columbus. Now, I'm not saying that there will not be an Excel video each year, but there will be some sort of like remembrance video going live, whether it being on YouTube, here on YouTube, or on Facebook. So those who are wondering, now here's the part that you need to really sit down and listen. If you are in crisis, that goes for any time today. Anytime between now and 12 o'clock a.m. tomorrow morning, go to your local ER or go and call 211 Pathways. If you are in Muskingum County and you are in crisis, call the Allwell Behavioral Health Crisis Stabilization Unit. That goes for if you're in Perry, Morgan, Muskingum, Guernsey, Coshocton County. If you are in crisis and you are in Licking County and Knox County, do not hesitate to go to Licking Memorial Hospital or go over to the Behavioral Health Care Partners of Central Ohio Care Now Clinic at East Main Street in Newark, and I do not know where the one in Mount Vernon is. If you're in a crisis and you are in the following counties, Perry and Fairfield, and you're in Thornville area, call or go to Genesis Hospital or Fairfield Medical Center. If you are in the following county in Central Ohio, that would be Franklin County, and you are in crisis, go to Net Care. which is a crisis unit. Or go to the following hospitals if you are in need of crisis work: Mount Carmel East, Broad Street, on East Broad Street. Now, St. Anne's, um, Ohio Health Pickerington, Dolly Road Medical Center. If you cannot wait and you need serious help, get a hold of the emergency number or your local police department or sheriff's office dispatch number and ask for a CIT. They're called Crisis Intervention Teams. If you are already linked up with services through Behavioral Healthcare Partners of Central Ohio, that goes for Licking and Knox counties, and you have a case manager, please give them a call today. Now, if you're in Allwell Behavioral Health, please get a hold of someone if you have a case manager, or if you're in group, any type of group, please mention it in group. Now, if you are at any type of out-of-state agents or out-of-state, I do not know how to help you. But if you're here in Ohio and you need immediate medical attention, call 911. And I'm being serious. I don't want to hear any more suicides with our classmates. It's getting pretty damn old and pretty sick. Now, if those who are needing anyone to talk to this afternoon, especially when the bell hits 12 o'clock in the afternoon, the time that our Excel Academy had its last heartbeat, and at exactly 12:30, Excel Academy was pronounced dead. At 12:30 on Thursday, November 7th of 2013, it was pronounced dead. Now, where I was at the time of Excel when they closed, I was working a shift at Tractor Supply on 21st Street in north end of Newark. And I got word through the manager that something big and bad had happened at the school I attended. Not knowing what all took place. So I had a therapist who was there, who picked me up because she didn't want to see me drive home that day. Which I didn't have a vehicle then. But for those who are wondering, that was a pretty harrowing and sad day. My counselor drove me by our old school at 116 West Church Street while students were letting out. Now, if you remember Channel 10 story that went out on Channel 10, there was Kathy Heindel, a teacher of ours, who actually called Channel 10 and broke the news. That news would forever change every one of us. If you remember what happened to Excel, there's an incident, a crime that took place at the bingo hall on 1355 East Main Street, Newark, Ohio 43055, where you might reference my Excel Academy bingo hall vlog. That was the scene of where the crime took place. There was speculation in 2010 between students that were arguing against each other that there was a hellhole going on. There was a storm brewing that whole entire year. Staff were leaving, staff were quitting, staff were putting up a lie saying that they were getting in trouble for handbook violations. That was all ploy to protect us from any type of danger that would took place. Now, those who remember in 2011 when they split, there was a school that was formed down Jacksontown called Eagle Wings Academy, which is where Excel was. They were originally at 651 State Route 79 They were in a shopping center back many years ago. They moved from that area to 9100 Jacksontown Road. From then, they moved from there to the current place, which was the place of death 9 years ago today. So this is just a brief synopsis of what took place today. If you, like I said, if you need someone to talk to, I'm always available. Hit me down in the bottom of the comment box, and don't forget that you're loved and cared for. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more content. Tower 1 out.